Hello everyone. In last tutorial we talked about how to upload a file in form, and today I wanna continue the form in HTML. Today I wanna talk about how to put URL in the form. I'm going to open my file here. For the import a URL, we need to write input type URL, after that name, web page, and after that list attribute, and after the list title, and also we can use pattern for URL, this one, HTTPS this one, the pattern. For input, we need to write a label for link, web page. What is the list here? Links the control to a data list element by referencing its ID attributes. What is the list attribute? Links the control to a data list element by referencing its ID attribute. And what is the name attribute? The name part of the name and value paired associate with this element for the purposes of the form submission. List name, web pages, title, pages, save. Later on, I will tell you what is data list. When I double click in my HTML, you will see this is the web page. You can write your web page here. For example, you can write your web page here, google.com. Now I am going to teach you what is data list. The associated data list provides a number of suggestions that user can pick to automatically fill control value. How to write that? Data list element, after that ID attributes provide the ID of the data list element. This ID can be preferred by an input element that contains a list attribute. The list attribute references the value of the data list element's ID attributes. Web page. Okay, inside the data list, I'm going to write the option value here, and after value write label Google. One more option, value after value label Facebook, and close the option. What is value attribute? The value of an option in the data list, it is left align. What is the label? The description of the item in the data list. It is the right aligned. I'm going to save my file and refresh here. When I try to write something, they open the website. Which one do you want to use? Google or Facebook? When I type something, they will gonna show me the Google. But when I type this one, show me this. And here the list name and ID name must be same. If it is not same, the data list option is not going to work. This is enough for today's tutorial. I will continue this subject to my next tutorial. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, subscribe my channel.